Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my Sapphire sale haul with you. I pick up two absolutely gorgeous embroidered dresses and I can't wait to show you. So the sale this time was amazing and the collection had everything from soft lawn pieces to festive net outfits. First, let me show you this embroidered dress. So elegant and perfect for everyday wear. The embroidery is very neat and classy. The fabric feels so soft, super soft. Look at this. The embroidery is very clean and classy, neat, and the fabric is very soft. This is very beautiful dress, and it was original price at something 4560, but I got it at 25% off. तो ये जो है वो I got it for just 3600. Really, can you imagine? I got this 3600. These are embroidery patches and the printed dress, and the print of this dress is very beautiful. And then this net embroidery dress, oh my god, matlab, oh my god, this one looks so festive, so premium, so perfect for weddings, dinners, and any special occasion. And the embroidery, look at this. Look at this. This is so beautiful, so beautiful, elegant, just looking like a wow. The color of this dress is very beautiful. And the finishing of this embroidery is very beautiful, very neat and beautiful. It gives such a grateful look. This was originally priced, imagine, 8,000 rupees, but I grab it in the sale for only 4,200 something. Can you believe that? This is very worth it sale for me. Just look at these pieces, the color, the embroidery, the overall vibe. They honestly look way more expensive than what I paid. I am so happy I got them before the sale ended. So that was my Sapphire haul. Two stunning embroidery outfit that I managed to get a half price before the sale was over. Don't worry, if you missed this one, I will keep share more fashion hauls, styling tips, and update on the next big sale. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, press the bell icon, and let me know in the comment section which dress you like most. So see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.